Where you from? Where you get?
Oh, okay.
Money. Money.
So you have to use the fork and the machete.
No, it's cultivation.
So what happened to the dirt now? Like I saw, for you have to use.
It's tough. So bad.
The dirt tough now.
Mm.
Okay. So you have to use a machete.
Mela big, you know.
Hmm?
Mela big.
One not big.
Mela big.
Oh, the renter now go big.
Mela big. What?
No matter as long as it can cook. It can cook, don't it?
Yeah, me again.
So now that's why I say me not really care if it big or not.
Yeah.
As long as the yam can cook.
I'm gonna show you something.
Okay. It's still have a slice and cut you up and put in the pot.
I put that food.
In the fridge?
You think you do it?
You can go in the freezer?
No.
Wow. Ooh. And it look nice, you know?
Yeah, good your part.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
You want it, you know? If you want it, me I give.
Yeah, man, me carry it. Remember say?
Yeah.
I want to stick up in my hair.
Wait.
Oh, so then maybe just walk past. Okay.
Then the people have good talk, you know.
Eh.
And they sit in the laugh. I said, what?
Y-
Lucky, you know, man.
Oh.
Don't happen to me.
Eh. So sometimes I dopey them kill off a goat them.
Aye.
Okay.
You understand me?
Now look how you make me afraid, you know.
Yeah.
Dopey.
Yeah. That's me, man.
I'm family.
Yeah.
You must ask them their name if you know who exactly I deal with.
No.
You just not know the name.
Millennium.
Tell me no, man. I'm a grandmother.
No, sir.
Eh?
The time grandmother, father.
One long time ago.
Years back.
Dopey.
You let me know about.
Eh?
Fire. I know them just blaze up out there.
Oh, the fire just blaze up and out done.
Hi, everybody. Same Google bird person. Go to the game with that. Give them thanks. Watch the video, everything. Wonderful video. He ate me as a food. And the thanks to who remember me and who don't remember me. It's a bit of a random man. I'm going to be a man.